Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about content, we talk about lifestyle, video game, we do vlogs sometimes. I really love making content on YouTube and I hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube journey. I stream full time on Mixer as a partnered content creator. I wanted to talk to you guys today about something that's really amazing and unique about Mixer. So Mixer has this really awesome thing called open monetization. And what that means is you don't have to be a partner or meet certain requirements to make money on the website. I wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about open monetization and what exactly it means, how you apply, and what that means for your future on the platform. If you're interested in understanding and getting a little bit more insight on that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so open monetization is a really cool feature that Mixer is unique for. Instead of having an affiliate program, they have open monetization, which means everyone is able to monetize their channels. It's not common for platforms to do this. Normally you have to meet certain requirements and, stream X amount of hours, have X amount of followers, all these things to be able to make money on the platform. But with Mixer, it is different. All you have to do is apply. Basically, just applying means that they get all your tax information. So if everything comes back and it's totally correct and there isn't any errors on your side or their side, then you'll be approved to have embers on your channel. And embers are a digital currency that you can purchase on the website, but it is a way to make money. So you can make money through embers, and you can also get donations or tips as well, but that's a third-party resource, not through Mixer itself. Through Mixer, you can make money off of embers and embers alone as an open monetized streamer, which is any streamer basically. So yeah, that being said, embers work out to be 1 cent per ember. So sends you 50 embers in your chat, that's 50 cents. And they go up to like hundreds of dollars. Obviously, if you don't have a community or people that love to watch your stream, or like if you're not making genuine connections with people aren't going to be inclined or wanting to, buy embers to send to you. At the end of the day, you still have to make sure that you're doing the appropriate things to build your own community. I don't want to talk about that in this video. I talked about that a lot in my Mixer partner Q&A. So if you guys want to go watch that, I'll insert a card somewhere here, somewhere up there, for you guys to go check out if you haven't watched that video. There's a lot of great information on there. As per my experience, you guys know I always say this: what works for me may not work for you, but it worked for me, so I want to share it with you because it could work for you. You never know until you try it. My approach is very organic, very genuine. I put a lot of time and effort into my content and into my relationships and my friendships that I make on Mixer and Twitter, Instagram, all those platforms. I want you guys to know that just because you have embers enabled doesn't mean you're gonna get them very often, but you could. It's better to have the possibility than to not at all. So like when I was streaming and not partnered, there wasn't anything through Mixer that could help me monetize my channel. And I think it's really cool now that there is these amazing things called embers that you can send to your favorite streamers and help support them. Another good thing about embers is you cannot charge back embers. So donos/tips do have the risk of being charged back. Sometimes people can be really malicious and send you $100 and then charge it back, which means that they're taking back the $100 and then usually PayPal will tack on like a fee. It's one of the scariest things that comes with streaming. If you're getting tips from people that you trust, you don't really have to necessarily think about that or worry about it. Alright guys, so if you're wondering how you can apply to be a monetized streamer on Mixer, all you have to do is go to your Mixer dashboard. It's at the top right of the website. You just click on your little photo and then there'll be a drop down menu that you can click. So you'll apply, enter all of your information to the best of your ability, make sure it's completely true, do not lie, because if there is discrepancies, they will deny you and then you'll have to reapply again. But there is no max times to apply before you can't do it anymore. It's just always going to be open unless you do something to violate TOS or something like that and you get your rights taken away. But as long as you are behaving and doing everything right, you will be able to reapply until everything's correct and you get accepted. It can take up to 24 hours for you to get your acceptance, and people can start giving you embers. People that support you already, they're going to be so excited and happy to be able to support you financially through that way. The effects are really cute. There's like fiery dumpsters, there's unicorns. They change them, you know, periodically, like every 2 weeks. Sometimes there'll be new ones depending on game releases and things like that. So it really helps add something to the chat. It's really cute. I really like them. It's so surprising and exciting when you get them in your chat for the first time. You're like, oh my God, like someone wants to give me these. Like that's so freaking awesome. Even if it is 50 cents, like a 50 ember drop, it doesn't feel like 50 cents when you see it. Like you're like, oh my God, you know, thank you so much. Like that literally means the world. And even if it's 50 cents, like the fact that someone, you know, purchases it to give to you, it's just freaking awesome, and I love that. Remember though, Mixer is a company, so they do inflate the ember prices a little bit. So on PC and on iPhone, they're different prices, but it's only because app stores like hike up price a little bit more because they need to take their cut. So you don't have to worry about, you know, calculating like percentages out for Mixer. It already is taken care of in the price when they buy the bundles in the website. So you don't have to worry about that, which is really nice. All right, guys, I wanted to quickly go over how you can earn embers. And like I said before in the video, I should have said it somewhere, you really want to make those genuine connections and provide really awesome entertainment. You want to provide value to your community. I've had like random people give me embers, like a lot of embers, and it always scares me because I'm just like, they don't know me. Like, why would they want to give me $100 in embers? But you'd be surprised. Like, it happens, but it is very, very rare. Mostly the people that give me embers are people that are in my chat all the time, interact with me not only on Mixer, but everywhere else that I'm present. So you have to really give your community value. Let them into your live, let them get to know you. I personally, like, I have this really good relationship with my community, but there are things that you want to keep to yourself. You don't want all your business out there on the internet. But yeah, there are a lot of things that you can share. So make sure you share the things that make you happy, and I really want you guys to think about what you could be doing for other people. I want to make sure I'm providing value to people. I want to inspire people. I want to make them smile. Those types of things. People don't have to do anything for you. And once you realize that, light bulb will go up. You need to provide value and entertainment, correct? But when you're still growing, you might find it hard to hit the minimum. So there is a minimum that you have to hit in order to get paid out. You have to hit $50 before you get a payout. And you don't get the payout right away. Actually, it takes 60 days to process the whole transaction. If you do not meet the $50 at the time the pay period ends, then unfortunately, you will not get paid out that time, but the next time that you do hit $50, you will get the payout, if that makes sense. 5,000 embers. So $50 is 5,000 embers. So you need to get that in order to get paid out. So it might be kind of slow in the beginning, but I promise the more you grow your community, the better your odds will be for getting that first payout and for getting payouts again and again and again. You have to put in the time, you have to put in the work, okay? So I just wanted to make a really quick video. I'm kind of getting better at planning my videos. I actually wrote it down this time in my little YouTube planning. Look how cute this is, little popsicles. So I made an outline this time. I hope you guys liked it. I'm still working on it. I promise my format will get better. My videos are getting so much better. And I appreciate you guys going on the ride with me while I learn, while I tweak things, but I know what you guys want to see, and that's what I want to give you. I want to give you the things that you want to see. And yeah, if you're happy, I'm happy. I'm here for you, here to please you. If you have any questions, if I can help you at all, my DMs are always open, guys. I want to reiterate that. I've been having a lot of amazing conversations this week, and I'd love to extend that offer to you guys as well. Like, it doesn't have to be streaming related. It could be whatever you want. If you just need to talk to someone, please reach out to me. I will try my best to get back to you. Sometimes it does take me, a day or two to respond because I do get a lot of messages, but I do respond to everybody if it provides value. So like, if you just send me like an emoji or like say that I'm really hot or something like that, I'm not gonna reply because what do you want me to, what can I do? What can I do for that? Literally nothing, okay? Nothing. I will do my best to provide value to you, and you should do your best to provide value for others. I almost didn't make a video this week, but you guys asked for this video. I didn't want to let you down. I didn't want to freaking skip a week. I haven't skipped a week since I started doing YouTube. This is the most consistent I've been with something in a long time besides streaming. So I'm fucking killing it, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and I will continue to bring my best self to you guys as long as you'll have me. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications because I do post every Thursday. I try to do it at 7 p.m., but I'm still filming this video right now on Thursday, 7 p.m. So Thursday sometimes, Friday maybe. The time will vary until I get something down and concrete. Trying my best, I am. Remember to provide value and share the love and keep being positive. Ugh, I have a hair in my mouth. Keep being positive rays of light. I love you guys. Have a good week. Stay safe. Happy St. Patrick's Day if I don't see you before that. Bye!